Hey, what's up mga kagrasa? Dito tayo ngayon sa may MOA Complex. And masasabi ko lang is life is a journey, no? This is my last day sa work. Nag-resign na ako, tapos na yung pag-render ko. And nakakotse tayo ngayon. It's because nagdala ako ng mga assets. Yung monitor, laptop, etc. Yun. So, excited for the next chapter of my life. Upcoming events. Magpo-focus tayo ngayon sa ating business, mga sidelines, and vlogging, mga kagrasa. So, abangan nyo. Mas magsusunod-sunod yung mga collabs natin, yung mga content natin. Let's go! And thank you sa company na pinanggalingan ko, no, which is yung syempre TSA One New Zealand. Thank you for the great 2.5 years of being an employee, being a coach, sales champion before. I did voice sales, and then went to messaging, tapos coach, tapos BCP trainer, and insights. Grabe, this has only been my my second BPO company, but I would say na talaga to close to my heart, especially the people. Yun lang. I am gonna miss you guys, but you are going to see definitely more of me. Kagrasa Pares, Kagrasa Vlogs. Let's go!